Hi again from the test station in Poland. We are heading to Dakar 2018. This is one of the last test stations before shipping the trucks to France and then to South America. So we have of course big expectations. The Dakar is always tough, and we prepared a second edition of Queen 69 truck ReBorn, which is we fully believe it's quite a good truck, and now we're gonna compete with the best team as Kamaz, Iveco, and Renault and the others. So I fully believe it will be a nice competition, and we want to do our best to be really a high quality competition. I would really like to thank you to our sponsors, especially to InstaForex, Budweiser, and all the others who are helping us in this beautiful event to be, I hope so, somewhere in the top. Yeah, the Dakar is tough, but we are going for it.